Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Tuesday, our markets exhibited a much stronger activity than global markets. The market has respected to the levels of 17,850, which has been acting as a major support for the market from last 2 days. The bank Nifty helped the market to recover from lower levels, and we also saw specific buying among FMCG giants. Today, if the Nifty crosses the levels of 18,050 in the first half an hour of trading, then we may see the levels of 18,100 or 18,150 in the near term. Failure to cross 18,050 would keep the market range bound within the levels of 18,050 and 17,800 levels. But in that case, we are going to see some downward activity. A close below the level of 17,800 would be negative for the market. Globally, US stock futures declined after S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 dipped, with investors waiting to see whether the profit outlook can repair the sentiment or not. The US 10-year Treasury yield retreated further below the levels of 1.60, while the yield curve flattened. The dollar was little unchanged, it was around 94.20. The markets are awaiting as US CPI report that is expected to show elevated inflation. A rally in oil paused, but crude remained at 80 plus levels amid global energy crunch. Chinese thermal coal futures hit another record high. India's rupee is still at the same levels of 75.51, which is a cause of concern. For the day, we are going to again keep a watch on PSU stocks, especially PSU small size banks and mid size banks, where we can expect further more activity. Canara Bank is in the technical breakout. Bank of Baroda is also trading above the crucial levels of 85, and State Bank, which was trading below the levels of 470, is now comfortably trading above the levels of 480, which is grossly positive for the sector and for the stock. We also saw some activity in FMCG stocks, and today we are expecting furthermore continuation in stocks like Kolpal, Hindustan Lever, as well as Nestle. We also like Jubilant Food, which closed above its previous all-time highest levels, and there we are expecting 4500 or 4600 based on its technical formation. Finally, for the auto sector, Tata Motors, Maruti, as well as Ashok Leyland and Mahindra & Mahindra, they are still trading above their important support areas, which is positive. There is specific positive news flow for Tata Motors, and based on that we may see further more activity. Finally, for the media sector, there also we saw good amount of buying, and we are going to see further more activity in Z. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.